Hi everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlock USDT in Trust Wallet. Let's do it step by step so it's easy to follow. First, open the Trust Wallet and make sure you're logged in. On the main wallet screen, tap the icon at the top right corner. This is the search bar for tokens. This opens the search bar where you can look for tokens. Type in USDT. And you'll notice there are different versions of USDT available, such as USDT on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Tron. This is because USDT exists on different blockchains. Simply choose the version you want to use and tap the switch button to enable it. This will unlock the token and make it visible in your wallet. Now, go back to your main wallet screen and you'll see USDT added to your list of tokens. That's it! You've successfully unlocked USDT in Trust Wallet.